Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take out a Kia Optima battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and safety gloves. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. You will typically find the battery located under the hood, usually on the driver's side, often covered by a plastic shield. Now, let's disconnect the battery terminals. It is critically important to always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative cable, then carefully remove the cable and secure it away from the battery. After that, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal using the same method. With the terminals disconnected, it is time to remove the battery hold down. Locate the clamp or strap that secures the battery in place and loosen it completely. If there are any battery tray or cover components, remove those as well. Now, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, batteries are quite heavy, often weighing between 30 and 40 pounds, so lift with care. To install your new battery, carefully place it into the battery tray, ensuring it sits securely. Reinstall the hold-down clamp or strap, tightening it firmly so the battery cannot shift. When reconnecting the terminals, always attach the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Finally, double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and properly fitted for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.